My topic is intercropping as an element of an integrated pest control system in a greenhouse. There are several common types of intercropping that are used. One is deterrent plants. This is when a plant that produces volatile aromatic compounds is planted in among a cash crop to either deter pests or to confuse their chemical signals that they use to attack hosts. This has been used in greenhouses with tomato and cilantro as the repellent plant for silverleaf whitefly. It has also been used for white cabbage, using marigold as the repellent crop, and summer savory and thyme have been shown to repel black bean aphid as well. Trap cropping is another example of intercropping in IPM. Preferred host plants are placed at the perimeter of the growing area for your cash crop, and these draw in pests, and then these pests are destroyed either through pesticides, which helps to reduce the overall use of pesticides in your system, even though you are still using them on limited areas, or the plants themselves can be destroyed, or the plants that are used can be transgenic Bt plants that will kill the insects that feed on them. This has been used in greenhouses with poinsettia planted with eggplant to control whitefly populations, and this has been shown to reduce whitefly on the poinsettia crop. Push-pull intercropping is a combination of these two systems, which has been used primarily in smallholder farms for maize, where desmodium is used to repel and napier grass is used to attract. There has not been much research on this outside of those systems. There's been some in wheat, and there has not really been significant research in a greenhouse production system, but this could be something that is worth future research into. There are of course some challenges using intercropping for pest control in a greenhouse system. The most obvious one is that space is limited and space is of high value. So it's not really profitable to put non-economically valuable crops in with your cash crop. Some ways that you could mitigate this would be to plant a secondary cash crop that serves as a repellent plant like basil or cilantro or mint in with your main cash crop. You could also use this mainly in low-tech greenhouses where space is at less of a premium. It also requires very careful planning of your timing, the species that you're using, and the location, how distinct you're planting these apart, how many rows of each plant you have. So there is a lot of consideration that goes into this, and there's research that can still be done, but it does seem like something that is useful in some cases in greenhouses.